Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Notorious Tech Club, and as the title says, this indeed is gonna be the last unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max before the iPhone 12 lineup officially starts shipping in Indian markets. But hey, if you're new to my channel, smash the red subscribe button below and press the bell icon to be notified when I post new tech videos like this. Now, the Apple unboxing experience is always wonderful, and today here we have this beautiful midnight green color iPhone 11 Pro Max, but it comes in 4 different colors to choose from. It does come with front and back Gorilla Glass, and Apple says it's their toughest glass which won't crack easily. Now the box comes with the Welcome Notes kit. Sadly, this is the last lineup to receive the dual stickers, and here is the SIM card ejector too. Now this is something new. Now for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, Apple was kind enough to include the 18-watt fast charger adapter. We also get the Lightning Earpods, with of course a Lightning connector. But I prefer the AirPods personally, and that is why this is the AirPods 2. Which means it supports wireless charging too. And it has an amazing battery life with 24 hours including the case. Now let's take a look to see how it fits in the ears. Below the earpods, we get the USB-A to Lightning cable connector. And yes, the iPhone 11 Pro Max does support wireless fast charging. It supports the new MagSafe charger too, which will be sold in India in a few months' time. This beautiful 11 Pro Max comes with a 6.5-inch display, and at the back we have a triple 12-megapixel camera setup, one being a wide-angle camera, the other being a wide camera, and the other being a telephotic camera. And here's the flashlight sensors. On the side of the iPhone we have the power and Siri button, and on the other side we get the volume buttons and the iconic volume slider too. Let's start this bad boy up and pair the AirPods. As you can see, just opening the case, it gets connected to the iPhone. This is something what I love about Apple. This amazing power comes because of the A13 flagship Bionic chip, which of course is lightning fast and powerful with iOS 13, and of course it's compatible to iOS 14 too. The 11 Pro Max comes with a 12-megapixel front camera and FaceID. Thanks for watching my video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.